In this portion of the video, we are showing a demo of setting up Visual Studio Code on the ASUS Ascent GX10. Following the GitHub playbook, the environment and system architecture are first verified. Then, the ARM64 version of VS Code is installed and the CLI is confirmed to be working. Since the connection is over SSH, VS Code with the remote SSH extension is used on a local machine to connect directly to the GX10. A test workspace and simple Python file are created on the remote system to validate the whole setup. In this VS Code window, files are edited directly on the GX10, and when Python3 test.py is run in the integrated terminal, the code executes on the remote machine in real time. This whole setup provides a smooth, familiar development experience while fully leveraging the Ascent GX10's compute power without needing to duplicate environments or manually transfer files.